Hey folks, look, I got a big thumbtack. No, not really. This is a cool little device I found on Amazon, and you can use it on your barbecue grill. Should be a big one with a high lid. And you can use this as a shawarma. You can cook a shawarma on here. Hell, you can put a hot dog on here. You can put a chicken on your Cornish hen. You can even stand up a steak on that thing. This device is so cool. And I have to be honest, where did I see this first? Watching Cowboy Kent Rollins on YouTube. Great channel. The guy was actually on Beat Bobby Flay, so he's pretty well established. But yeah, big giant thumbtack. Now, you can, if you got something bigger than this and your grill's big enough to handle it, you can take this off. It's got threads, and put a bigger one on. I did make a shawarma, a chicken shawarma, as you will see right here. That chicken shawarma was great. I'm telling you. And this tool made it fun. Yeah, it takes a little bit longer to prepare. It takes time, but I don't want no 2-minute shawarma. A shawarma is a timely process. But it was nice to just shave that chicken off, and yeah, you can make burritos, tacos. I was in Tijuana when I was in the Navy, and they had a big vertical rotisserie, and I had some tacos off that. It was the best I ever had. It didn't hurt to have a bucket full of cerveza, but it was good. Now the only difference between using this and a real vertical rotisserie is this thing don't spin. You might have to spin around, which I did a little bit every once in a while. Not spin it, you know, just turn it. And the heat's not in one area. You got it, well, the way I did it, I had it all the way around. So, very cool device. And I plan to do a lot more. I think it's going to be tacos next time. Sorry I didn't do a food review on it, but yeah, I did make a chicken shawarma. I'm not wearing a baseball hat. Some of you are probably wondering. I know I've done some videos without a baseball hat, but I'm about to go get a haircut. All right, I'm Paulie. Never trust skinny cooking. Till next time, I'm out.